The latest now on the trial of the ex-Dallas cop who shot and killed a man who lived in her apartment building after going into the wrong apartment. If she's convicted, the jury will have to decide whether her actions constitute murder or a lesser charge. Fox's Anna Eliopoulos tells us how it's looking.
Tear-filled testimony from a former Dallas police officer on trial for fatally shooting her neighbor.
I never wanted to take an innocent person's life. I am so sorry.
Amber Geiger admits she did kill Botham Jean last September inside his unit in their Dallas apartment building. But the former cop insists she thought she was at her own apartment and mistook Jean for a burglar.
Why did you shoot?
Because I was scared that he was going to come at me and kill me.
That was your reason?
Yes, sir. I was scared, and I thought he was advancing towards me. He had a weapon.
Geiger lives directly below Jean. The former cop testified she was, quote, foggy after working a lengthy overtime shift, explaining why she mixed up the two apartments. The case's lead investigator also testified, telling the court the building's hallways and floors are near identical. He called it confusing, saying even he went to the wrong floor while investigating the shooting. Sergeant David Armstrong added he interviewed many tenants in the building and found dozens of them had mixed up the different floors at some point. Prosecutors used photos to show the other non-lethal tools Geiger could have used on Jean, such as pepper spray or a stun gun. She did perform CPR and called 911 for help, but attorneys say she could have done more to help the 26-year-old. Jurors are being asked to consider whether Geiger's use of force was reasonable when she fired her weapon. She could face 99 years behind bars if convicted.